but I cannot let this stop my freaking consistency. I am Miss Consistency. I'm not stopping.
5, 6, 8, y'all need to hype me up.
Do that thing with your eyes.
So, this is gonna be like a 2-part thing. Today is October the 5th, but I didn't post yesterday for the 4th. I lost my freaking SD card from yesterday. I took it out of this camera and I threw it in my bag. And it's so crazy because yesterday I was on Amazon and I was literally looking for like SD cards and SD card holders, because this is the only SD card that I have, but I don't really like it because it lags. And I think it's because like it's not like the gold. It doesn't have like the gold on it. So this is going to irritate me even when I'm editing. But I cannot let this stop my freaking consistency. I am Miss Consistency. I'm not stopping. So, with that rant being said, I am going to do 2 parts today. I'm going to edit one and post it. I'm going to edit another one and I'm going to post it either tonight or tomorrow. So, I'm still in yesterday's clothes. I was just so upset. I just literally went to sleep right after work. Then I woke up this morning. I was doing Brielle's homework with her because Elijah didn't do it the right way. A lot. So I'm about to go take a shower. My sister's coming so I could do her hair. Reese has a dog appointment. I have an interview today at 2:30. Brielle has swimming today. And I need to cook dinner. So, 2-part vlog today. You're going to get October 4th today on the 5th. And you're going to get October 5th tomorrow on the 6th. And that way I could be a day behind, but a day forward for consistency. So, let me go get undressed. Let me go take a shower because she's probably going to be here in like minutes. So, yeah. I need to make sure I have a backup battery. But this one said that has an hour of recording space, which is really good because we ain't recording that much. You know what I mean? We want to make it manageable. So let me get undressed, let me get in the shower, and I will check back in with you guys later. I'm so freaking frustrated today. Like, I just want to cry. I already cried today. My husband's like, every time I'm crying, he don't know what to do. Like I'm just crying. He just feels like he about to quit his job, leave everything to come home and just look at me cry. Like, oh my God. All right. Let's get it together, okay? We're starting anew. We're starting anew. We got random footage somewhere out there in the world, but let's go. Let's go. So, Miaka's here. I just got out the shower, and I asked her if she brought a comb with her since I'm doing her hair. I'm not a real hairdresser, you know. I work in the medical field. I'm a nurse.
But you did Brielle's hair the other day on the blog.
I did Brielle's hair, but you're coming in here as a client.
I'm your sister. Where
is your staff?
She's also providing the,
I'm also providing the locks. I should get those so that you can see what they look like. Yeah, I'm also providing the locks. Isn't this great?
Snacks. 'Cause I'm hungry.
Snacks? Oh, yeah. Look what's in the kids' snack shit.
Well, I really want food.
Well, girl, you better dig in the deep freezer, see what you find. Drink your what?
My thingy. She liked it. It's really good.
Which one? That one?
Mm-hmm.
So I never even tried it.
We didn't get the same flavor. I got the strawberry one. You didn't get the strawberry one.
No, I got.
The strawberry one was bomb.
It was.
Yeah.
It was like strawberry margaritas.
No.
No.
No, but it was good.
Yeah, maybe next time. Maybe after I try these. We're doing a faux locks, so let me get some light in here, cause. Reese, there's nobody here, Reese. Alright, so, yeah, let me start this girl's hair. After she... Mind you, have you ever heard this? You're doing somebody's hair, and they come, and they get food, too. Free hair service. Free food. Like, wow.
I made you noodles.
You made me noodles when I was pregnant with Elijah.
Mm-hmm.
Elijah's gonna be 16.
Need that one thing and still getting paid forward to this day.
I've never heard of this. Oh, you found an orange. You found yourself a little snack.
Yeah, but I want more. I'm hungry.
There's mini muff. Oh, I think this one has stuff too.
Oh, I like muffins.
Bitch.
You have milk?
Yeah. I have milk, I think.
Oh, wait, have those?
What? Oh, yeah. Oh, not that much milk. Nope. I got water. I got almond milk.
We discussed that almond milk. We did discuss that almond milk with like, no, it was oat milk with oats doesn't taste good.
It doesn't taste good at all. It's terrible. Oat milk with oats is not good. I have hummus. I have carrots. I have dip. I have buffalo and garlic hummus. I have chobani yogurt.
Ooh. What are the tacos? They finished them?
No.
Oh.
There's too much for them to finish. Then there's a fog bag.
What a trash.
I don't think they made a new trash. I just put the trash out this morning. All these waters. Alright, vlog. We gotta go, vlog. We're sistering right now. We have to go. Alright, guys. It's been a few hours and I already braided everything here. The lighting in here is terrible. And my thingy is terrible.
Oh, you finished?
My SD card is terrible. Alright. Yep, so I finished braiding all of this hair and parting it, and now I'm already adding some hair onto here. So kind of small, medium, whatever size I could do. It's free. So she won't take what she can get because it's free. So yeah. I have to go pick up Reese. I gotta take Brianna swimming. I don't got time to be doing this with you, girl.
Yeah, go pick up your
Things. Where you going?
They don't have it. I don't see one in the bed.
All right, taking Reese to go get her hair cut. This is a new place we're trying right here. Waggery on Main. So let's go in. Hi. Reese. Yeah.
Reese.
Yeah.
Are you here for Ziggy? Oh, okay. I was just giving you a ring. All right, so Tracy?
Yeah.
Reese is here. All right, she will be right with you.
All right, perfect.
Hi.
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 Reese. She's so nervous, but she's always like this. No matter where we go. Yeah.
And is this not her first groom? She's been
No,
Oh,
she's been groomed before. She
How
just
does she usually do?
they always say fine. They always she likes them, but she's nervous. Like I'll bathe her at home, but you know she does the same thing all the time. Yeah.
What are we doing today? What would you like to do today?
Help.
Okay.
Help. You'll be fine, Reese.
That beautiful face and those beautiful
I know
eyes.
her hair is so long. It's like you can't even see her. You know.
All right. Does Reggie have everything that we
Yep.
need?
Yep. Bye, buddy, Reese. It's so cute. Yeah. Yeah. You want to go on the first one? Huh? Jump in the first one. Yep. Turn it all the way. Turn it all the way. 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 Hurry up. Hurry up. Turn it. More. There you go. And wait for it to get hot and then fix it. Okay? Yeah? How was swim?
Great.
Yeah? Yeah, good. Alright, I'm gonna grab your stuff, okay? Okay, guys, so I just picked up Reese from her appointment, and can I just say, oh my god, she's the cutest!
She didn't leave. Yeah, especially like, how you just You just combing and your hair already look like that? Let me not talk shit because I just got my shit done. You see how you get your hair done? You like Brandon?
Yep. You're not one of them no more.
Never was, never could have been. Because even before, it was blown out. So, you know, I was feeling different.
I just finished with all the breaks that I had to take, picking up my daughter from swimming and all this other good shit. Here is the hair on Miss Mianca.
I gotta do my edges still, so not too much on the edges.
It's actually really, really cute. I bought this hair for myself, but I did it crochet and I hated the way it looked. So
this is also crochet.
Yeah, but the method I used, like I did it like crochet, like cornrows.
Like
yeah.
that, okay.
So I might actually buy it again and do it on myself, but individually like that.
I'll help you.
Yeah, the fuck you will. After I just did your whole entire hair. So yeah, after I take these braids out, which won't be for like another 2 months, I'll probably do that style next. But I'll do it a little longer. But yeah, we're gonna eat.
I minded if it was shorter. Bob.
Oh really? You know I made it longer.
No, it's fine.
Oh, okay.
I don't mind the length.
Like
but I would have like if it was shorter, it would have been like. But
yeah, so we're about to eat some Chinese food and
watch TV.
yeah, watch TV, hang out. I'll probably edit this vlog. So I think that's it for this vlog. Yep, it's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna edit this vlog, have some Chinese food, bond with that one, and then yeah, so bye.